So this is a 16-ounce cup. I'm gonna pretty much fill this up. They're Artist Loft Flow acrylic paint mixed with Floetrol and with some water. These are 10 by 10 canvases that I'm using. Let's go ahead and start out with this one. And I'm using a bit less than half of this cup. So we'll go ahead and lift up our strainer. I found that moving towards the corners and then back to the center works best. And just as another note too, underneath here, I do have parchment paper. Doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and take this opportunity to add a little more paint to my cup for the next two. For this one, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do this fun flowery shape. So you can definitely see on this one that the lines are different. I'm gonna carefully set this aside, and then we're gonna do our third and final one here. This strainer sits pretty much directly on the canvas. Just slowly lifting this up, and I'm gonna let it keep draining. And then I'm actually gonna take some of the paint that's still left in there and use it on the corners. I think will all look really cool together as a set. So there we go with that one. That's our third one. I'm gonna show you how these look all dry, hanging on the wall. They're gonna look awesome together. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you all next time.